For buildings that eliminate any pathway for wildfire smoke. Huh? It's the clean room. I knew you were ready for that one. The age group is at the highest risk during wildfire. Seniors, 65 years old, live near wildfire zone, wildland zone, stock up. What is food and medicine? That's right. These respirators are recommended to have if you live near wildfire. 95 P100. The number of candles, air fragrances, aerosols you should keep in your home if you live near a wildfire zone. 0. What is 0? You should not add any type of pollutants to your indoor air. Leaving a wildfire area in your vehicle, do these 2 things to your vehicle before leaving.
Turning it off is one.
What 2 things?